So I bought something on wish.com, but it's gonna need some work. So this is what I ordered. It's a Batman canvas print. I think it looks really awesome, but I didn't know that it was just gonna be like literally just the canvas. I did take it to Michael's today to see if they can frame it for me, and so this all cost I think like $13, and they wanted over $300 to frame it. So I was like, no, thank you. I don't want to pay 30 times what I paid for the product to get it framed or get it stretched, whatever. So I was checking some stuff on the internet, and it doesn't look that hard. So I'm gonna go check out Hobby Lobby and see if they have the tools that I need to do this. I've never done anything like this before, so I'm not 100% that this is gonna go well, but I think I have all the tools that I need except for the canvas stretcher plier things, and I need some wood to make the frame. But I have a staple gun. I have, what is this person doing? Why did you do that? I have a staple gun, I have a hammer, I got nails. Yeah, that's pretty much all you need, I guess. So it was a half successful trip to Hobby Lobby. They had the canvas pliers, canvas stretcher pliers, whatever, that I wanted, but they didn't have the frames. I guess they're called like stretcher poles or something, and they fit together really nicely and make like the frame for you. And they only had two pieces, so I wouldn't be able to make, how many frames? 5 frames that I need. So I'm gonna swing by Home Depot. It's at the other end of the shopping center, and we're gonna grab some wood. These look like the ones that I need, but they ended up being like stakes. I mean, I can totally cut that off, but I'm gonna keep looking around, and if I don't find anything that just looks like this, then I'm just gonna probably get these. Look at this score. I found this underneath. It's like exactly what I need. Yeah, I think this is gonna work out just fine. Okay, let's get home and get to work. Alright, I got them all framed. I don't think they look bad at all, especially for my first time ever doing this. I'm going to hang them on the wall using command strips. Should work. Before I show you guys the final product, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos. And of course, thank you so much for watching. See you later.